is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason, and today I'm gonna beat my face with some MyGlamm tutorial. So stay tuned to know what happens next. So I'm gonna jump straight onto my eyes because I'm already done prepping my skin with the Total Makeover FF Cream Foundation palette in the shade Dusky. And I have groomed my brows and brushed them up all the way to the gods with some Threesome mascara by MyGlamm. So let's do some eyes, guys. So for my eyes, I'm gonna hop into the bronze color from the CHISEL palette from the shade Showstopper. And I'm just gonna warm my crease and give it some definition shade. I'm gonna take that bronze and start defining the socket of my eye, but also keeping it the inside and blending it with the bridge of my brow and the sides of my nose contour. Next, I'm gonna take the Stay Defined brow product and I'm gonna basically add the brown on my crease for that extra definition. I'm gonna blend the same bronze, adding just a little definition, but not going too crazy with it, and giving it that cut crease vibe and that false shape to my eye. Next, I'm gonna apply Jet Set Kajal Pencil only on the inner corner of my eye just to give it more depth and definition, but I'm not gonna pull it all the way out, just on the inner corner. And the best part about this kajal is that it just blends like butter. Go back to your first blending brush and smooth out all the edges. So it's time to cut your crease, and when I say that, not literally, with a concealer, just to give it more cleaner and neater Ariana Grande God is a Woman vibe. So basically I'm gonna use the Total Makeover FF Cream palette in my shade Dusky, and I'm gonna jump in with a concealer brush and cut my crease. So after you get the desired cut crease, tap your cut crease and set it with your translucent powder, anyone that you love. I'm going for Glow to Glam. So that's literally what you need to do to achieve a cut crease. I know I look crazy with just one eye on, so I'm gonna do the second eye. We're gonna slap some falsies, and then we're gonna straight jump right into our skin. It's time for some mascara, so I'm gonna put my favorite mascara, the Threesome mascara by MyGlamm, and then we're gonna put some falsies. It's time to highlight your face. I'm gonna use Game Face, and I'm gonna just hit everywhere I want things to highlight. Since this look is so bougie and extra, I'm gonna go even more extra and use Possessed, which is a shade from the Butterlicious lip range. These are creamy matte lipstick and one of the newest product of MyGlamm, and I'm obsessed with Possessed. So I'm gonna just slap this baby onto my lips. So there you have it, guys. Cut crease MyGlamm makeup tutorial. I love this look. I think it's so extra and nice. It's so me, and I'm sure there's so many people out there who live for looks like this. So this is especially for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos and content. Till then, stay cute.